In today's video, I'm going to explain about the affiliate marketing for beginner. Let's jump to see what is affiliate. When we say affiliate, this is a program where you drive a seller to the product. It does not require the product to be yours. You send the people to others people product. When they purchase the product, you are making a sale as a commission. For example, if the product costs $100, you can receive a $100 as a 10 commission from the seller. In this way, you can make a lot of money if you are managing to sell a lot of product a day. This is how affiliate program for beginner work. In today's video, we're going to explain on how to start affiliate program for beginner. So if you want to start an affiliate program, you can find a lot of product which you found online. For example, in this tutorial, I'm going to show about the Amazon affiliate program. Amazon is an online shop which have it is affiliate program site which is called Amazon Associate. As you see here on the screen, it's called Amazon Associate. If you join this website, you can become affiliates and start promoting Amazon affiliate, Amazon product. So now is the time to join the Amazon affiliate program, which is called Amazon Associate. When you say you join this, when you come to this website for the first time, you will see nothing here. But because I'm already have account here, you can see the statistics, and I have made a sale, one sale, which I have 77. I have made a sale and I have some money on my account. So now to start promoting Amazon product, just sign up here account and go to Amazon. Also sign account using the same email. Make sure the account you sign here use the same email from Amazon. In this way, your two accounts from Amazon and Amazon Associate will link up together, and in this way, Amazon Associate will start to track your sale from Amazon. After creating an account from here in Amazon Associate, which require almost 1 minute, now is the time to go to Amazon. In this website, you can find a lot of product to start promoting and make a lot of commission, because there is a lot of people here who prove that they make a lot of money here. After coming to Amazon, you'll see a lot of product in Amazon. For example, you want to promote one among these products. Let's see this. You want to promote Power Dental Flosser. Power Dental Flosser. Power Dental Flosser product. I don't know, due to the network, let's wait for a moment for network to load. Yes. If you see here, that is the Power Dental Flosser. I don't know what's happening. Make sure if you use Android phone like mine, I'm putting a desktop site so that the site to be like a PC, like how you see here on the screen. Now you can see everything like PC here. If you see on the left corner, on above here on the left corner, on the top left corner here, you will see here there is a word which is called Amazon Associate Site Stripe. Amazon Associate Site Stripe. This means that my account already linked from Amazon, and the Amazon Associate is linked up together. That's why we see this Amazon Associate Site Stripes. If you need a link, you can come on Amazon Site Strip here and you'll see Get Link. Click this name, which is text. Click here. After clicking there, there is another window will open. Another window will open up like how you see here. When you come down here, you will see your Amazon link here. Amazon. You can come here and copy it, or you can copy in any way, or you can come somewhere to click and copy the link. Now I'm already taking this link for water pink or water Flosser. I have a link from this product. When someone clicks this link, the link will send here to Dental Flosser. When he purchases here, I will get get some commission. This is how to start affiliate program. Now after learning how to start affiliate program until how to get link on Amazon affiliate program, now it is the time to learn on how to promote this link. In order to promote this link, go to Facebook. Go to Facebook, because the Facebook have a lot of audience. So it's the time to use the audience to make money on Facebook. Here I am on Facebook. Here I am on the Facebook. After reaching this Facebook, now come here and go to your page, because here I need page, and come to the page. After come here to the page, the network is very slow, so wait, I think it's going to open. Come here to the page, click here and come here to page. Yes, as you see here, you see a lot of page. In order to promote affiliate program in a simple way and a modern way, you have to create a new page depending on your kind of product you're promoting. For example, you want to promote about the cosmetic product. Now is the time to create a Facebook page related to the cosmetics. Yeah, like for example, I can create a new page related to your product cosmetics. For example, mine, I have created a page. Yes, here is where you can start creating your page. You can name your page and start creating the page related to your product, kind of product you're promoting. The idea here is just to start reviewing the product from your niche. For example, here is my page. Here's my page, product review. I was started this page almost 2 weeks ago, but I have already made a sale from Amazon. That's why I teach you this method, because this method is working. What is required just the hard work. This method, yes, you see this. My page is called product review. In this page, I'm just reviewing the different product from Amazon. In this way, I make a sale. For example, product Catapult Daily. For example, this here, you see the different product review. For example, this is my review. Lash Enhancement Serum review. If you click here, you see a lot of review. Also, you see Amazon link. This is affiliate link. When someone click this link, I will make a mission when he purchase. This is how it works. So come on Facebook and create a page. Create a page. After creating a page, you now start to review product from Amazon. In this way, you will recruit a lot of people to your page. When people increase to your page, you will start to make money from your page. In this way, you will make a lot of commission. After a few months, few years to pass, more people increase to your page, and they will start to make money very slowly. Thank you for your time. If you are new here, make sure consider to subscribe and turn on notification. Thank you.